Hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and in today's episode I'm gonna share a problem of a Garrard SL-95. This is the real problem, guys. As you can see, no more records on the top or in the spindle. So on the last part, we expect that it will return and stop, but here it will continue playing. It will repeat and repeat. Again. There. It will repeat and repeat. So here I'm gonna flip this one, guys, and let's take a look on the back part. And this is the bottom part, guys. This is its mechanism inside. So here, no more chit chat. I'm gonna make this video short. The problem is this one, guys, with a spring. So I'm gonna turn this cam wheel on a half. So here, it will not bounce back because of the grease, guys. The grease here is already hard. So I'm gonna remove the old grease by using a cotton buds and a lacquer thinner. Do not use an automotive lacquer thinner, just an ordinary lacquer thinner. So I'm gonna remove the grease here, guys, and here, there, it will not bounce back on a full. It will bounce back on a half. So I'm gonna there push this so it will bounce back. So that is the problem, guys. I'm gonna clean this one. I'm gonna use a cotton buds and a lacquer thinner. Here, guys, it's already clean and the mechanism is already loosened. So now let's try to test this one, guys, but I'm not gonna play a record with an audio, just the last part of the record, if it will auto return and automatically it will stop and it will not repeat. So here, let's try one record first, guys. So here it is. Then let's try if it will auto stop. There, it stopped. And now I will add 2 records. Let's try 3 records, guys. So here I'm gonna pull this out first. Then I have 2. So let's try 3 records. First record, it drops. Then let's try the second. There, it dropped. And let's try the last record, guys. So this is the last record. So we expect that it will automatic cue going to the armrest and it will stop. So there, guys, that's all. Troubleshooting that kind of problem. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel for more and more interesting videos to come. Thanks for watching, guys.